Hello viewers, this is Dow Too Fast here. In today's video, I will be upgrading the headlight on this 2018 Toyota Highlander Limited from halogen to LED lights. Now in this model, the headlight uses a projector lens, so it will give it a nice cutoff line. But from the factory, there is a H11 halogen bulb in there right now. Before I begin, let me turn on the factory light so you can see what they look like with the halogen bulb right now. Let me show you the LED light that I'll be using for this install. This one I have here is from the company WinPower. This is a new design that just came out. Let me unbox this and I'll show you what the light looks like. As you can see, this LED light has a very compact design. The overall length is 3.07 inch. Over here are the LED chip. It uses a CSP package, which is very compact but very bright. The overall construction is all aluminum. Now the bottom here is a turbine fan, and this is the first time I've seen the use of a turbine fan on an LED light. Here's a close-up look. Now this LED light will operate between 12 to 24 volts, and it's also waterproof. At the bottom here we have the wire coming out to the LED driver. Now each light is able to output 5200 lumen at 6000 Kelvin, which is a pure white color. Now I'm going to connect this to a power supply and show you what the light output looks like. As you can see, it's very bright. The color is pure white. Also, one thing I noticed is with the turbine fan, it's a lot quieter than the fans they use on other LED lights. So let's start with the driver's side headlight. If you look on the back, you see this gray cap. Give it a twist, then remove it. Look inside there and you'll see the H11 halogen bulb. Reach inside, disconnect the connector. Give the bulb a twist, and they'll come out. Install the new LED lights. Connect the factory connector to the LED driver. You can tuck the LED driver into the housing. You'll notice with a very compact turbine fan, this works for the Toyota Highlander. Because where you install that LED light in this hole is off center, it's not in the middle. So any other LED lights with a bigger heatsink or a bigger fan will not fit in this headlight housing. One thing to note, with the LED light installed, you will no longer be able to install the factory dust cap because the LED light is sitting right at the edge right here. Now you do need to seal this. You cannot leave this open because any dirt or dust will get into the headlight assembly. What you need to do is buy aftermarket dust cap. The one you need for this Highlander will be a 95mm rubber dust cap, and I'll show you a picture of that right now. Now the owner of the vehicle has already ordered them from Amazon and it's coming in a couple of days. Once he gets them, it's an easy installation. You simply place the rubber cap on top of this opening. Now I measure this opening is 96mm, so if you get a 95mm dust cap, it'll fit perfectly around this ring right here. Also, let me show you why you have to cover that opening at the back, because when I shine a light at the back of it, you'll see light shining through around the side of the projector lens. So any dust and moisture can come through and get into the headlight. Here's a look at the passenger side. I've gone ahead and removed the dust cover. both LED lights installed, let me turn it on and show you what it looks like. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have a 2017 or 2018 Toyota Highlander and you want to upgrade your headlight from the regular halogen bulb to LED lights, this video will help you understand how to go about doing this upgrade. Now for the WinPower LED lights and the parts I mentioned in the video, I will include the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comments section. And don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press on the bell to get notified of any new videos. Thank you.